38. And what do you do for a living?
I am a cosmetologist.
Cosmetologist. You have any kids?
I have 4 children,
Okay, how old are your 4 kids?
16, 14, 12, and 10.
How about the same man?
No,
How many men?
3 men,
3 men. You ever been married?
twice divorced. Yes, I've been
Twice.
married twice.
Twice. When did you get divorced last?
6 years ago.
Okay. And what's your zodiac sign?
I'm an Aquarius. Yes, my father is Jamaican and my mother is Guyanese. So that's the dialect y'all hearing something in there. I'm
missed
reading
it.
the comments.
Oh, the comments. I was like, I didn't say anything, girl.
No, you did.
It's Janessa, right?
Janessa, yes.
Janessa. So we got Janessa, Brooklyn, New York, 38 Aquarius, cosmetologist, mom to 4, married twice. What kind